Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. It's me Porosh in front of you. I'm a student. Currently I'm studying at Naranganj University College as a student of inter first year. So I'm a student but as well as an English video creator. I love to make English videos. I love to go different kind of places and I love to make English videos. So right now I have come to my friend's house and now I am staying at the roof. As you can see, just look at the view. It's a city view. It's very usual to see these kinds of building in the big city like Naranganj, which is a popular city. I always say this in my videos because there is no nature. Yes, some natures are available at the middle of these buildings, as you can see in my behind. Okay, so today I have come here without any plan. Because in the morning time I went to my college and then after return to my home, and then my friend Priyanto actually told me to came here, and that is why now I have come here. We were five friends. We were here and spend a great time, but most of them they actually go to Priyanto's house because they are interested to play games. They are interested to play Free Fire. Free Fire is very popular game among our youngsters. Actually like to play this game. Well, so look at my friend Priyanto actually standing over there, and she actually enjoy the beauty of this the view that we are having right now. Okay, so if I try to show you, just look at my behind. I don't know you are seeing or not. Okay, the sun right now, I'm not seeing the sun. Okay, no problem. So I love to make these kinds of video. I don't like to make any spoken rules video or grammar video, but I always try to make these kinds of video. That's what I actually doing, or where I actually going. I love to make these kinds of video, and I love to highlight my daily experiences with people, and that is the thing. And if I want to improve my English, if I make these kinds of video, it will be very helpful for me, and I always prefer these things. In the morning time I made a video in my own area beside a pond, and that time yes, I make these kinds of video every day and share my videos on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel. So many people encourage me to make video every day, and my friends also encourage me to make videos every day. Okay, so that's the thing, and it's really amazing environment. Just look at this. It's a city life. City life is always a busy life. People haven't enough